Welcome! In front of me I have ULEFONE Smartwatch and I'm gonna show you how to change the watch face on this watch. First we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the side button. After you wake up the screen, you should see the home screen, the current watch face, and now you can press and hold on the screen to open the watch face menu. Once the menu opens, you can scroll through the list of watch faces by swiping up and down on the screen. Find the watch face you would like to use on your watch and then tap on it to select it and apply it. You can also change the watch face through the settings on your watch, so you can swipe left on the home screen to open the menu, scroll down through the menu, scroll down through the menu, find the settings icon and tap on it, and then tap on the dial option to open the watch face menu. And of course here you can scroll through the list of watch faces and tap on the watch face to select it and apply it. And that's how you change the watch face on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.